Introducing the Fremont Fluted Vanity collection, where modern design meets sophisticated functionality. A range of stunning bathroom vanities and cabinets, crafted to elevate your everyday routine. Available in 2 timeless finishes, matte black for a bold statement, or moonlight white for a clean contemporary look, Fremont vanities are designed to suit any bathroom style. With wall-mounted and floor-standing options, Fremont offers flexibility to fit any space. Choose from sizes ranging from 500mm to 1200mm, ensuring the perfect fit for your bathroom. Featuring spacious soft close drawers and an open shelf, Fremont vanities provide a functional, yet stylish storage solution. The deep drawers, complete with convenient inserts, are perfect for keeping your toiletries organized and within easy reach. Topped with durable stone resin in your choice of matte black or white, each vanity is built to last, while adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Complete the look with matching wall-mounted side cabinets, featuring soft closed doors and open shelving for extra storage. Available in both matte black and moonlight white, they're the perfect complement to your Fremont vanity. Whether you're redesigning a small space or creating a luxury retreat, the Fremont range brings both form and function to your bathroom. Explore the collection and create a space that's as beautiful as it is practical. Discover the Fremont Fluted Vanity collection today and elevate your bathroom with timeless style and premium craftsmanship.